Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma. In this video, I will explain about the difference between orbit and orbitals. An orbital is simply the probable area where one can expect to find the maximum density of electron presence within an atom. On the other hand, an orbit is simply present in a body with a certain mass, while an orbital exists for an electron as well as an atom. Thus, these are the simple differences between orbit and orbitals. Here, you can find more differences between the orbit and orbitals. An orbit is a well-defined circular path around the nucleus in which the electrons revolve, while an orbital is the three-dimensional space around the nucleus within which the probability of finding an electron is maximum up to 90%. Orbit represents the planar motion of an electron around the nucleus, while the orbital represents the three-dimensional motion of an electron around the nucleus. The concept of orbit is not in accordance with the wave character of electrons and uncertainty principle, but the concept of an orbital is in accordance with the wave character of electrons and uncertainty principle. All orbits are circular and disc-like, but different orbitals have different shapes. That is, s orbitals are spherical symmetrically, p orbitals are dumbbell shape, d orbitals are double dumbbell shape, and so on. Orbits do not have any directional characteristics, but all orbitals except s orbitals have directional characteristics. The maximum number of electrons in any orbit is given by 2n square, where small n is the number of the orbit. Like for the second orbit, there are 8 electrons because the value of n is 2. But the maximum number of electrons present in any orbital is 2. So this is the basic difference between the orbits and orbitals, which are need to be remembered for the students and for the professionals who are working in this field. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. If you have any questions, please contact to me. Thank you very much.